Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you need the perfect way to brighten up your yard? Check out my awesome flag from Crown Beauty. This flag is so bright and cheery and it welcomes our guests every time. This flag is a perfect new look for my yard. The flag comes in a nice folded fashion, protected in a clear plastic bag, and it is completely ready to be put right onto my flagpole. It has a beautiful burlap quality material, and the material is completely washable, and it's UV and fade resistant as well. I really love the bright sunshine colors on here. It's very vivid and visible from far away down the street as well as nearby in my front yard. The flag is well made, and at the top it has a hook so that you can adjust it and hook it right up to your flagpole, making it sure that it will stay put and it will wave and blow in the wind with no problem. I really love that it's so easy to transform my yard, whether it's seasonally or just for a new look. And this flag has a really pretty, subtle, yet really stylish look to it. I'm really impressed by the quality as well as that it fit perfectly as soon as I put it on, and I am ready to welcome all of that beautiful sunshine in. So if you're looking for the perfect way to brighten your yard, welcome guests, make you feel good about coming home every time, then you need to check out this flag. But that's just my point of view.